Hey guys, so today's delivery day, and here he comes, and here it comes. There it is. Gonna have to make a real wide turn for that. Sorry, it's windy. I honestly wanted to have the drone out, but unfortunately that didn't have time. We were definitely packing out a lot more stuff, so I think he's coming in the entrance side just because of the turn, which makes sense. You excited?
Yeah. But first we have to tow it out.
Well, right now it can sit up here and then we can do it. And here it comes. Boy, she's tall, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like
look at you jumping around. You all excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, you still got a couple weeks before the campground opens, so this works out really well. Here it comes. What do you think? Yeah? Alrighty. So, oh, and there's Troy. So, yeah. Alrighty. Alright, so we still gotta get the keys. We just gotta do a fast check, make sure everything's okay, okay?
How long it was.
Yeah, she's real long, isn't she?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. The old trailer's sitting in the road right now. We got it out. We're not done. We still got some more stuff to do, but Bob and all them have a lot of stuff going on. There's other new coaches coming in today, so we're gonna get the new one in, and then we're gonna back that one back up, run extension cord, open the slide outs again, and then go. So here it comes with Troy behind the wheel. That thing is so tall. Here it comes, guys. They're gonna have to come in and then back in. We got wood all that. Look at all this junk. That's how much crap we had in there. Some of the stuff's going to the garbage, but wow, did we have the garbage. Well, okay, not all this garbage or junk, but all right, here it comes. So we gotta watch when it goes in. I'm gonna have Betsy run the camera, so I'm probably gonna have to help.
Yep. Yeah, because you gotta figure out where your wood goes.
Yeah.
Start taking it in right away.
Sweetie, is this recording still?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that red light meant it was recording.
Okay, hold a second. Go back over there and you watch the back side over there. He's okay, clear here now.
Oh my God, Piper.
Come on back. Straighten it up, son. Yeah, make sure you don't put that tree there. Keep taking it in now. Take it in hard.
Make sure where your wood pieces go. Oh, there's a rock that broke. One of our rocks broke. Sweetie, this is like bright. Oh my God.
I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna tell you to back in that way. Come on back. Straighten it up.
Sweetie, do you think this day would ever come? Oh yeah, I want to see my junk.
Yeah, I know it. Water How far back are we?
God.
Come back, just slow. You got it low as it'll go. Stop. Turn your wheels the other way. Stop the other way. Back much, come back. Kind of hard that way.
Looks like it's gonna make it.
Come back. Keep cutting it hard. Stop. Turn hard the other way. Now cut it back.
Oh my God.
Stop. Turn that way and go ahead. Just a little bit. Straighten your tractor up. All right, now cut it hard back up. Straighten it up. Come back. Hold it. Turn to the right. Come back. Hard to the right. Come back. Keep coming. A little more. Straighten it up. Straight. Come back. Stop. Turn to the right.
Oh my God. How do you?
Hard hold going back.
I don't know.
Hard.
We're hoping to be able to keep the van in front, but if not,
Keep coming back just a little bit. All right, now
Okay.
back the other way, straighten it up, come back.
Wait, what does this one look like?
Right there, no, don't straighten it up.
Oh, we're still good.
Straight. Stop, turn to the right, keeps going away. How far can we come back yet?
it's up to them. We got
All this room back here, but
15 feet yet, but
Okay. Keep coming over here. Straighten it up.
I don't know, sweetie. Sweetie, why don't you look over here and see?
Well, it depends on slides too.
But yeah, but it depends on the door now. Now we're gonna be off the deck.
Well, I know we always knew we were gonna have to get another one.
Oh, okay.
Can you come back another foot if he cuts it hard?
Yeah.
we were going to have to probably extend our deck anyway.
Well, tell me where you want. You want it extended or you want it so that the front of...
Well, we kind of like having a little bit of space up front here.
Well, you can just take this piece and come back a little farther and take
Well, yeah,
this
this
piece
is only
and go.
half one.
This is fine, but this is it's the back one that's.
This piece, what you're saying, Betsy, is this one's not a full one. We can put that piece.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
But if that's the case, what we need to do is he's got to go back just a little bit.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Got to look at the water source though too.
Record it with the dash cam as it goes by. Bye, old piece of trash.
Hey,
We had good memories in there, right? That's all that matters.
one thing that broke, one thing that broke, one thing that broke. The
Basically.
RV broke.
Yeah.
Oh, the gloves are still here.
Yeah.
Oh, I just noticed that the license plate for the RV is coming on.
Yeah, that broke too.
Oh. It was a nice camper,
Yeah.
but when it broke, it wasn't really.
Yeah.